Hello guys, welcome to SQLcast.com by Junaid Haja. In this video I'm going to show you the download and installation of SQL Server 2014. So let's go ahead and jump in the process. I'm opening my Google Chrome browser and I have typed in here download SQL Server 2014. We'll open the second link there and it's going to take us to the Microsoft MSD and TechNet Evaluation Center, from where we'll be downloading the SQL Server 2014 Express Edition. And these are the requirements of the software. So let's click Get Started now. And this is the main part which I want you to focus. So many people will be confused here as which version to choose. We'll be selecting the Express Advanced version here, which will be coming up with reporting services and many other features. So right click it and go all the way down and hit continue. And in this window it's going to ask us about the which version of the SQL Server you want to install. I would prefer going up with 64-bit because most of our machines are 64-bit. So let me click 64-bit and hit continue. Here's the language selection. Hit English and click continue. So with this screen your download should automatically start. So do you see here in the taskbar the download is starting, and this is going to be a 1 gig file. I already downloaded it, so I'm cancelling the download, and it will be a sys file like this once the download is complete. So once you click it, it needs to be extracted. It will be extracted as a folder which is right next to it. So let me go and show you the folder in there. In a normal installation, the setup should start up immediately, but here I'm manually running up the process and it's asking me for some privileges. I'm giving it. One thing I want to show you here, like I have my SQL Server 2012 installed, so once we are done with this installation, you will see a SQL Server 2014 installed in our machine. So let's go to the installation process back. And here we are at the SQL Server Installation Center, and go ahead and click the first one, the new server standalone installation. And just accept the terms, and I don't want my data to be sent to the Microsoft, so I'm unchecking it and I'm gonna hit next. It will be running a global rule process where it will be checking up a few of the errors for us. If we find some issues, it will be popping us an error message. So the rule checking process is going on. I hope it should be complete. Yeah, it's done and has no errors. So it's jumping into next. Click next, and this is your installing up the setup files. So it will be running for a few seconds. The install rule is completed now. So now will be the feature selection. I would like to install all the features here, so go ahead and check every box is found there, from SQL Server application, reporting services, the client tools, backward compatibility, and everything. Make sure you check everything, and the product will be installed in the location where it's showing C program files, Microsoft SQL Server. So there you will see the software installed. So that's the location which I'm referring to. So once you are done, go ahead and click next. And here is I'm gonna do a named instance because I already have my default instance. So let me gonna call it as SQLcast 2014. Once you're done with your named instance, you should see once you're out of the text box, you should see your instance ID should be automatically populated, which is same as your named instance. So go ahead and click next. And here I'm gonna give everything automatic and hit next. These are the other services which are going to be installed in our machine. And I would like to go for a Windows authentication mode. I don't want a mixed mode. So let's go ahead and check Windows authentication and hit next. And this is for reporting services. I'm going to do only a reporting services install only, and it's going to be in native mode, the 1.2 node. And from here the installation is going to begin, and it should take normally 20 to 30 minutes. So let me pause up my video here and back once it's done. Here we are completed with the installation. So we see here all the features installed in our machine. So it took me almost 30 minutes, and you can see the log over there. And let's go and check for the product, SQL Server 2014. Do you see here on the second left, SQL Server 2014 Management Studio is installed. So let me open it up. and that is the log file for your installation. It can be found at that location. So let me go ahead and close this. And here we are almost done with the 2014. Just checking. So do you see there the new instance is installed, which is a SQL Server 2014, and it says Server 2.0, which means that 2014, and it has all the system databases in it. So here we are done with the installation. Please do try it, and if you have any issues, please do me a comment. I'll try my level best to help you out. Thanks for watching. Bye.